Last class we saw trigonometric ratios table. Today we are going to see exercise problems by using the trigonometric ratios. Last class we saw first and second problem. Now we are going to see a third. Cos 90 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree is equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. Solution. I am written that question. Now I am going to apply the values by using the table. Cos 90 degree value is 0 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. Here square given, so the whole square is equal to 2 into cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. Here square written, so the whole square minus 1. 0 is equal to 1 minus 2. 1 by root 2 the whole square can be written as 1 square. It is 1. Denominator when you square root 2 into root 2 is 2. Already I told this one is how it comes is root 2 into root 2. When you square this one, you will get that answer as 2. That's only here I am written. So 1 by 2 is equal to this 2. Likewise the same thing. 1 by root 2 the whole square is 1 by 2 minus 1. 0 is equal to 1 minus, here 2 get cancelled. So remaining you will have 1 is equal to, here also 2 get cancelled, 1 minus this one. 0 is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0 is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. When you see 3 here they given us a equal means all the answers you should get same. So all the answer you are getting is 0 0. It is verified. Fourth question. Sin 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree into sin 60 degree is equal to sin 90 degree. Solution. That question is I am written here. You should apply the trigonometric ratios value. Sin 30 degree, what is that value is 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree value also 1 by 2 plus cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2 into sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2 is equal to sin 90 degree value is 1. Now you should simplify this one. Here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. In the numerator you multiply 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4 plus here likewise you should multiply root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 2 into 2 is 4 is equal to this one as it is. When you see here denominator is same, so 4 you should write, that is 1 times. In the numerator directly we can add 1 plus 3 is 4 because denominator having same number is equal to 1. Cancel this one, 4 get cancelled, you will get answer as 1. Both answers are equal. Second question. Find the value of the following. The first one, tan 45 degree divided by cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree divided by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree divided by 2 cos 0 degree. I am written that question. Apply the value. Tan 45 degree value is 1 divided by cosecant 30 degree value is 2 plus secant 60 degree value is 2 divided by cot 45 degree value is 1 minus 5 into sin 90 degree value is 1 divided by, here 2 is there, so 2 into cos 0 degree value is 1. After that you should simplify this one is equal to 1 by 2, the same I am written, plus 2 by 1 minus, here you should multiply 5 into 1 is 5 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. Now you should take LCM here. LCM is 2. So I am written here 2. Here denominator having 2. So no need to multiply. Whatever the number present on the numerator, that number you can write it. 1 plus, here when you see denominator is 1. For that you should multiply with 2 here. 2 into 2 is 4 minus, here denominator is 2. So no need to multiply. Directly you write that number as minus 5 is equal to 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 5 divided by 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is answer is 0. Second question. Sin 90 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree plus cos 0 degree minus cos 45 degree. This is the question they given. You should apply that values. Sin 90 degree value is 1 plus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 plus cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2 plus cos 0 degree value is 1 minus cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. You should simplify this one. Here see that all are given as a plus. So I am taking LCM here. Here denominator is 1 means 1 by 1. 1 means 1 by 1. So 2 into root 2. The LCM is 2 into root 2. In the denominator place you are having 1, no? So multiply with 2 into root 2. So 1 into 2 into root 2, you will get 2 root 2. Plus here 2 is already present. The missing is root 2. So I multiply with the numerator is root 2 plus. When you see here denominator, the denominator root 2 is present. 2 is missing. So 1 into 2 is 2. Into. Here also you should take LCM. This 1 means 1 by 1. The same LCM you will get 2 into root 2. The same concept. Here denominator is 2 is present. The missing is root 2. So multiply with root 2 on the numerator. You will get root 2 plus. Here 2 root 2 is not present in the denominator. So I multiply with 2 root 2 in the numerator. Here 1 is present. So 1 into 2 root 2. You will get 2 root 2 minus. Denominator root 2 is present, 2 is missing, so multiply with 2 into 1, 2. Then here see this one, 2 root 2 plus root 2, this means 1 root 2. So 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2, you will get 3 root 2 plus 2 divided by 2 root 2 into, like is the same concept, root 2 plus 2 root 2 is 3 root 2 minus 2 divided by 2 root 2. Here both are they given as a multiplication. So numerator into numerator, I written here 3 root 2 plus 2 into 3 root 2 minus 2. The numerator value here I am written. Then denominator separately you multiply. 2 into 2, this 2 you multiply, 2 into 2 is 4. Root 2 into root 2 value is 2. Root 2 into root 2 value is 2. Now when you see here, this is the format is a plus b, a minus b. That a value, b value is same. What is that formula? A plus b into a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. So in a place what you are having 3 root 2. B place what you are having 2. That concept is here I am doing. So 3 root 2 the whole square. This is a square minus b square is 2 square divided by 4 2s are 8. When you square this one, 3 square separately square and 9. 3 into 3 is 9. Root 2 square is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 minus 2 square is 4 divided by 8. 9 2s are 18 minus 4 divided by 8. 18 minus 4 is 14 divided by 8. We will cancel in 2 table. 14 is 7 times. 8 is 4 times. So our answer is 7 by 4. Third question. Sin square 30 degree minus 2 cos cube 60 degree plus 3 tan power 4 45 degree. Sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Here square is there, so the whole square minus 2 into cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Here cube is given in that question, whole cube plus 3 into tan 45 value is 1. In the question they given us the power is 4, so whole power 4 is equal to, simplify this one, 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4 minus 2 into, here cube this one, 3 times you should multiply, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 1 power 4, 4 times when you multiply you will get 1 only, is equal to 1 by 4, cancel this one, here 2 is 1 times, 8 is 4 times, so 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3, 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, it get cancelled, you will get answer as 3. Third question, verify cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a when a is equal to 30 degree. This question they given, a value is 30 degree they given. You should apply that wherever a is present, put 30 degree. So cos 3 into, here a is there now, so 30 degree is equal to 4 into cos cube a is there instead of a 30 degree minus 3 into cos, here a is there, so 30 degree. Cos 3 into 30 is 90 is equal to 4 cos cube, here 30 degree is given, no, 30 degree value is root 3 by 2 the whole cube minus 3 into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Cos 90 degree value is 0 is equal to 4 into cube this one. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. 3 times you should multiply. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So that 3 here. This root 3 separately is there, no? So 3 root 3 divided by 2 cube is 8 minus multiply this one. 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3 divided by 2. 0 is equal to cancel in 4 table. It is 1 time. This one is 2 times. So you will get 3 root 3 divided by 2 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. When you see this is plus 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. So it will get cancelled. You will get as 0. So both the side you are getting same answer. Hence it is verified. Find the value of 8 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x. This means into 8 sin 2x into cos 4x into sin 6x when x is equal to 15. In this question the x value is 15 they given. That means wherever x present you should substitute 15. So 8 sin 2 into here x is there, no? So 15 into cos 4 instead of x you should write 15 sin 6 into in x place 15. Multiply this one. 8 sin 2 into 15 is 30. Cos 4 into 15 is 60. Sin 6 into 15 is 90. Now you should apply the trigonometric ratios value. 8 into sin 30 degree 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Sin 90 degree value is 1. Multiply this one. Here numerator and denominator number you are having. So able to cancel here. It is 2 table. It is 1 times. 8 is 4 times. Again we can cancel in 2 table. It is 1 times. This one is 2. So remaining you are having 2 into 1 is 2.